Hey Dave, what are we doing today?
Oh, you know, just figured I'd get into the bounce house business. Yeah. Avery got bounced around for a bit.
We're over here driving around Utah, hanging out with Dave, and he figured we need to go pick the bouncy house up.
Okay, cool.
What are we doing with this, Dave?
We're gonna take it and we're gonna go have a good time with it. Take it to like
Before you steal it.
well, he's like, go pick up bounce house for me. I was like, all right, you pay for it? He's like, I don't know if I have to.
How you doing, man?
Hey, so this is the unit. I just need to get you a blower and a bag of steaks.
Sweet.
But if you want, we can load this first.
What's our blower gonna look like?
As good as the bag of steaks.
Yeah.
That's not the steaks you want, but yeah.
Cool.
Do you guys want to handle it?
I would love it.
I've never
Sure.
loaded it into
Hang on.
a pickup before, just only into a...
Let me roll the back of this up a little bit.
Avery, you get on the back and push.
Yeah, put your phone down.
The bouncy house experts.
It's a fork, okay? That's what we're doing.
I tell you what, there we go. In the box and down the chute.
Here we are.
There you go. Hanging out with Dave.
Look at that.
What's happening,
You
Dave?
come for one, you get a second castle
Hey.
for free. I don't know if it's free, but we came for one castle, we're leaving with two.
Pull one of them tires out.
Yeah, so the other one's a little heavier.
Yeah. Prop it up on your tire for a minute.
See if it'll go sideways.
Here's another one lower.
There we go. I tell you what, hanging out with Dave buying bouncy castles. It's a bouncy castle day.
Makes you think you maybe we're dreaming.
What are you, the bouncy castle king guy or what?
No, we're getting
Used
out
to
of
be.
it.
Now we are.
Yay?
We obviously weren't good enough at it, right? So it's this
Did
one.
you tell him that you have a third one? Because you might buy all three.
So that one's just a small unit with no slides, but if he just wants a standard bounce house, yeah, that one's cheap. They're all in good shape though.
Did we get a wagon with these or what?
You know what? I probably should give you one, but I bet you're not running short on stuff with wheels, are you?
Not yet.
You know what I like about this?
Tell me.
I've done nothing.
It's in a human strap. Hold that thing on.
I've done nothing. Nothing so far.
I don't know, you pushed that first one in. I was there.
Sorry about the dog.
We love dogs. Oh, I do. I think Avery does.
Dogs are great. Was that what it is?
No, not that one.
I did this thing on curbs.
We're gonna find out. Real good.
Great.
So when you said you guys were gonna do a rescue, that should have tipped me off.
Yeah. We're just pulling a bow. I think he's got beached. I think he just needed an excuse to come get his bouncy house, to be honest.
All right, this one's harder. We might need your help.
I need you.
Okay.
No.
Oh!
Hey man, it's cart there.
Yeah.
Is that gonna work?
I don't know. Will it go any further ahead? Yeah, you got a couple inches here. It'll come ahead. There. They can move that tire out of the way. Or whatever.
Keep going now.
Look at that.
Oh, baby.
Bam.
Just like a skin on a wiener.
You can have the cart if you want.
Hugger in the back seat. Will it fit?
Sure? Yeah, I'm sure. All right. It's cart.
Think we get it in there?
Yeah, it'll should fit in there. The tongue go over the other side.
Wish you folded in a little smoother there.
Where's that steak from?
Right here.
It's the last of my steaks. One of them's got a pretty good bend in it, but
Cool.
it'll hammer right
That
out.
means it works the best.
You'll love it. Okay, we need to give us a wrench. We need a half inch to pull that nut off there to get this neck in.
Turdo.
You got a half inch wrench?
Yeah.
We'll spin that nut off.
I don't know about the third one, to be honest. Just open the window. There you go. You're in.
Oh, look at that. Look at
Yeah,
that.
you're good.
Look at that, like a skin on a wiener. We got it. Close enough, that's a 1/2 inch. Okay, Dave, what do you figure? In the box down the chute?
We're 2 bounce houses richer than we were about 5 minutes ago.
Glad to
Thanks
meet
very
you.
much, my man. Nice to
Yeah.
meet you.
Okay, you have a good day.
You too.